Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to clean up duplicate files on Android phone and free up space on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone master. So I'm going to click on my phone master right here. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to storage clean. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then click on files right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then go to clean up duplicate files. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you enable this button. This allows a smart filtering. So by doing this, it's going to select only the duplicate files. Like for instance, if you scroll down right here, you see that this file here are in two places, 1, 2, and it has been automatically select 1. Okay, so you can scroll down and check everything and confirm. So you can see this PDF document here, they were in two places, 1 and 2, and it has selected the duplicate. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean right here. Simply click on clean and delete. You are about to delete 82 documents to save 76.48 MB space and cannot retrieve them after deletion. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete right here. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to clean up duplicate files and free up storage space on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.